Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your PlayStation Plus games of the month. So it is 2023 and it's July, and I'm going to go over to the PlayStation Plus symbol right here and select this. And I have the Essentials package, so I get like 2 or 3 free games each month. And to find these free games, I want to go on down to where it says Games right here. Then select X into here, and then we should be able to go on down to Monthly Games. And then go to the right, and here are the monthly games for PlayStation. Now these are the June 2023 games, because it hasn't updated. Trek to Yumi, NBA 2K23, and Jurassic World. Then we can go to View All right here, and we only have 3 games. Now let's say I download one of these games, and I delete it, and I want to get back onto my PlayStation. Well, I can press the PlayStation button, then go all the way to the right and go to Library. Then on the left side of the screen, I want to go to PlayStation Plus down here. And these are every game I ever got through PlayStation Plus. So you can see I have 281 PlayStation Plus games, getting about 2 or 3 of them each month over the course of like 10 years. And I have a huge collection. So you do need PlayStation Plus to play these games. So if your membership expires, you won't have access to these, but you can easily download them back to your PlayStation 4 under this menu. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.